4x multiplied by 3y. I will take 4x multiplied by 3y. Now here if you go to see, both are monomials. Both are monomials. They have only one variable. They have only one variable. No doubt they have one variable, but there is no other term in between them. Okay, they don't have any other term in between them. That means 4x is not added or subtracted with some other number, or 3y is not added or subtracted by it is individual. These numbers are individual, they are separate. Okay, so let us see. So here, what is the coefficient here? Coefficient of x, 4 is the coefficient. What is the coefficient of y? 3. So we are going to multiply coefficient with coefficient. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. X into y is equal to xy. X into y is equal to xy. Right? Yes. This is the first monomial. I have just taken an example. Please children, you can take down this in your classwork. Give the heading as multiplication of algebraic expression and take this example. Let us take another example. Okay, we'll take three examples so that you will understand it little better. Fine? Okay. Let's take one more example. The second example is 2x squared into 3xy square. Okay, 3xy square. Children, I have taken this on my own. Okay, you need not worry about it. We will learn from it. Here we are going to multiply coefficient with coefficient. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. We will see with x into x square. X square into x. There is no index for x, that means it has 1 as an index. So x square and into x raised to 1 gives you x raised to 3. We add the index. So it becomes 6x cubed. 6x cubed. There is no y term, y variable in the first term. There is no y variable in the first term. So y square comes as it is. This is the multiplication of 2x square into 3xy square. Fine? Is that okay, children? Yes. Let us take another example. We will study 2-3 examples so it becomes little easier to understand. The third example is minus 4x, okay, into 3y square. 3y square. Correct? Okay. Now we are going to multiply coefficient with coefficient. Minus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. There is no sign in front of 3. That means it is plus. That means 3 is a positive number. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. Minus into plus becomes minus. Minus into plus becomes minus. Okay. Then your two variables, x, you don't have x in the other term. X as it is. Y square as it is. Y square will be as it is. Fine? Fine? Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay. With 3, 4, if you solve 3, 4 little easier sums, then it will become easy for us to solve the exercise. Okay. Let's go ahead. Please take down these sums in your classbook, children. Fine? Okay. The fourth one. Fourth sum, minus 3x squared into minus 4xy. Correct? Now here, coefficient into coefficient. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus becomes plus. Minus into minus becomes plus. Correct? x square into x, x square into x, that becomes x raised to 3, x raised to 3. Okay, so if you go to see here, plus 12. Okay, then there is no y term, y variable in the first term, so y becomes as it is. It comes as it is. Okay, so here we have seen both terms were monomials. Means what? What do I mean to say monomials? That means this was one number, this was another number. Two numbers, two terms together, two algebraic terms together multiplying with one another. So they are monomials. Now we will see that there is some addition, subtraction in between. Okay, it becomes a binomial, and then we are going to multiply with a monomial, right? Okay, let's go ahead. The fifth one, the fifth sum. Okay, a into a plus b. Now if you go to C, this is a binomial. There are two terms, a and b, and there's an addition in the sign in between, so it becomes a binomial. This is a monomial all by itself. So this monomial is going to multiply with a binomial. A monomial is going to multiply with a binomial, right? Okay, a into a becomes a square. A into a becomes a square, right? A into b becomes ab. A into b becomes ab. But there is a plus sign in between, so we are going to put the plus sign. Fine. Is that okay? Okay. Done? Okay. Next one. Take one more. Take 2, 3. We'll take as many as we can so that it becomes easy for you to study. Okay. 7x minus 3y into 4z. See here, now the binomial term is in the beginning, and then you have a monomial expression. Okay, so if you go to see, a binomial is in front, and then you have the monomial. You need not worry. It is like 4 into 3. It is like 4 3s are and 3 4s are. They are both one and the same. They are both equal. They are same. So you need not worry about it. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so let us see how this multiplication is. Okay, 4 7s are 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. X into z is going to be xz. X into z is going to be xz. There is a minus sign in between. I'm going to put a minus sign in between. Then you have 3 4s are 12. Y into z is yz. Is going to be yz. Is that okay, children? Is that okay? Yes. Fine. Okay. So this is multiplication of binomial and monomial. Binomial and monomial, right? Okay. Yes. Let's go ahead. Now, a binomial with a binomial. That means two terms together multiplying with another two terms. Okay, let's see. Okay, let us take 3x plus 4y. Okay, this is plus. There is no multiplication sign in between the two brackets. That means it is multiplication. 5x plus 7y. There is no sign in between the two brackets here. There is no sign. That means it is multiplication. It is to be understood that there is multiplication between the two brackets. Right? Okay, fine. Okay. So we are going to multiply now. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. X into x is x square. X into x square. This 3 is multiplying with 5x. It is also multiplying with 7y. So 3 7s are, I put a plus sign in between because there's plus sign everywhere. So plus. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. X into y becomes xy. X into y becomes xy. So 3x has multiplied both the terms of the other binomial. Okay, now what is left here? Now we are going to see 4y. 4y is going to multiply with 5x and 4y is going to multiply with 7y, right? Okay, so plus 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Y into x or x into y becomes xy. 2 3s are or 3 2s are is one and the same. So here it is xy or yx is going to be the same. Plus 4 7s are, how much is 4 7s are? 28. 4 7s are 28. Y into y is going to be y square. Is going to be y square. Correct? Fine? Okay. So here we are going to see now. Now if you go to see, there is x term here and y square here. There is no other like terms in this expression. There is no like terms in this expression. So it is going to be like this. 15x square. Okay. Here if you go to see, they are like terms. As you have seen addition of algebraic expression, these two terms are like terms. They are xy terms. Okay. So 20 plus 21 gives you 41xy. There was no x square term, so it came as it is. There is no y square term, so it is going to come as y square as it is. Fine. So this is going to be your final answer. Is that okay, children? Is that okay? Fine. Please practice this again and again. Fine. Have a nice day.